This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A controversy has erupted in Harsola village of Mandsaur district in Madhya Pradesh after a tribal youth claimed he was threatened over a social media post. The youth Ramesh Bhel said he had shared a post related to the student protest at Jantar Mantar and the paper leak issue. In the post, he criticized the government and expressed concern about the future of students. According to Ramesh, a group of people came to his house late at night after seeing the post. He alleged that they abused him, threatened him, and used caste-related remarks. Ramesh said he felt pressured and scared by the incident. A video linked to the case has gone viral on social media. In the video, some men appear to be asking Ramesh to apologize for his comments. One person is heard saying that anyone unhappy with the Prime Minister can leave the country. The same person also warned that political workers can reach those who make such posts online. The incident has triggered strong reaction on social media. Many users are demanding a fair investigation into the allegations. Police have taken note of the matter and are looking into the complaint and the viral video. Further action will be taken after the investigation is completed. The Madhya Pradesh Assembly has passed the Uniform Civil Code Bill during the second day of the monsoon session. The bill was approved despite strong protest by the opposition. Opposition members objected to the move and also tried to stage a walkout. However, Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar continued the proceedings and declared the bill passed. The government said the law will ensure equal civil rights for all citizens. While the opposition raised several objections during the debate, the passage of the bill marks an important political development in the state. Congress workers held a protest in Selana town of Ratlam district on Tuesday. The demonstration was organized by the Bloc Kisan Congress Committee over farmers' issues, Moong procurement and the NEET paper leak case. During the protest, workers burned effigies of Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Police tried to stop the protesters, leading to pushing and jostling between police personnel and Congress workers. The protest remained peaceful after the situation was brought under control. The Congress demanded action on farmers' concern and accountability in the examination system. Senior Congress leader Meenakshi Natarajan has challenged the Rajya Sabha election result in the Madhya Pradesh High Court. Speaking in Jabalpur, she said she has filed an election petition within the legal time limit of 45 days. She expressed confidence that the High Court will hear the matter soon. Natarajan has questioned the election process and wants the court to examine the result. The case is expected to become an important legal and political issue in the state. Further details will become clear after the High Court begins hearing the petition. The Supreme Court has advised Sonam Raghuvanshi, an accused in the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, to surrender before the investigating agency. A bench of Justice M.M. Sudresh and Justice P.B. Varale told her lawyer that she has two options. The court can either hear the Meghalaya government's appeal and pass a final order, or Sonam can surrender so investigators can question her properly. The court said her bail request can also be considered during this process. The next hearing is scheduled for July 23rd, when the court may decide whether her bail will continue or if she will have to go to jail. Heavy rainfall has become active in Madhya Pradesh after a gap of nearly 3 weeks. During the last 24 hours, more than 30 districts including Bhopal, Jabalpur and Gwalior received good rainfall. Rajgarh recorded the highest rainfall at 4.1 inches. In Raisen district, part of a road collapsed, causing traffic disruption on the Sagar-Bhopal highway and leading to a long traffic jam. The India Meteorological Department has forecast moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the state over the next 24 to 48 hours. Authorities have asked people to travel carefully and avoid waterlogged areas.